Hi, this is Dave Morrell, and as you can see, we're back inside the home looking at the Daikin Altherma monoblock. We're hooked up with a couple of pipes, electrical panel, very little space needed inside the home. We've got our control board mounted on the wall. We've simulated a large call for heat right now without anything running other than the circulator pump because it is recognizing a call for heat. The Altherma unit is drawing 1.7 amps. Slowly, the unit will measure the delta T and the outdoor air temperature and change its target according to the actual load, and it will start on slow speed and slowly ramp up. So here we have right now our compressor just kicked on, as indicated by the little time bomb looking indicator, and right now our total amperage draw with the compressor and the fan both running, we're at 3.07 amps. So starts very quiet. It's a 30 amp breaker, as you can see here. It's 230 volt, single phase. Now the control's looking at the water temperatures, and it's slowly ramping up that compressor speed to match the demand. So you're seeing that here we are, we're running at 7 amps, 8 amps. I've got a very large load put onto this unit right now. So we've got, right now we're at 10 amps almost. And what's neat about this unit is that it's capable of drawing, it only needs that 30 amp breaker, but it will draw about 25, 26 amps. And this is a 4.5 ton unit. Again, single phase. So it's constantly measuring how quickly it's adjusting the water temperature of the system. And it's very energy efficient. So here we are, it's measuring 9.91 amps. That tells me that the unit is drawing about, it's at about 50% of its demand speed, and that means that the compressor is probably running somewhere in the neighborhood of half of its full speed, thereby only consuming about an eighth of its power. But you'll see here we go, it's continuing to ramp up, and that's the VFD inside the control of the Daikin unit with, again, that inverter technology matching the load. You'll see it slowly increase. So the maximum this thing will ever go up to is probably 26 amps, but again, that's probably going to be on the coldest day of the year. Again, the unit's able to run at temperatures of outdoor of -5 degrees. Really a durable unit, very well built. And you can notice, I don't know if you can tell, but there's not much noise in the background. You can't hear any circulation, you can't hear any flow. We have a two-stage control here for our domestic water heater, so that if we had a large domestic demand, it would fire my boiler. But so far in the last month, my boiler has not run. And again, watching that amperage draw. Here we've been running. Right now we're producing about a, oh goodness, 110 degree water. Will max out at 131 degrees. Now we're up to 11.3 amps. So the unit's very efficient. It's just purring along, matching the load. Talk about green technology. Highest I've seen this thing actually run is about 15 amps. We'll be back with more later.